Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a little video today sharing with you some trendy niches that I found on Amazon this morning. And the first one that I found is going to be again in the women's reproductive rights niche. And the niche, or the sub niche actually, is row your vote. And when we do a search for this on Amazon using this website right here, Merchant Former, you're going to see that there's only 107 results, and the BSRs are actually really low. A lot of them are even under 100, like the first three under 100. And if we go to the second row, we also have some ones that are also two that are under 100. So this niche actually seems to be pretty jamming, doing pretty well, and with low competition. So look at that. And this is a pretty easy or design style. They're not going to take much. You can just do text. You can do just some text with the image. So get creative. Try and come up with some nice designs for this niche. And when we take a look at the trademark to see if it's good to go, just hit enter. We'll see that nothing comes up. And let's take a look at the competition on Etsy. So on Etsy, there's only 133 results, and it's actually an auto-suggested keyword. So right here, you're going to see, so that's a good sign. So everything's looking pretty good for this niche. When we look on Redbubble, it's actually trending on Redbubble. You see how it has a little arrow. But on Redbubble, there is a lot more results. There's like, this is where the most results are. I haven't checked on TeePublic because TeePublic doesn't really give us the number of results. It just shows us the amount of pages. But for the most part, this niche actually looks really good to get into. It's a very hot topic right now. It's going to continue to be a hot topic probably throughout the summer. It's a trending phrase. People seem to be purchasing it, and there's low competition. So get your designs up in this niche, and hopefully get some sales.